This is the Heavy Hitter Club channel. What's up, everybody? Marco here from the Heavy Hitter Club. And today, what I have for you is we're going to go over ChatGPT 4. We're going to do some prompts. And from these prompts, what I'm going to do is make your SEO and content marketing life a whole lot easier. Your research, like everything, so that, well, let me start this again. You shouldn't be the one doing everything first and foremost. If you want to be a true entrepreneur and a true business owner who is working on growing his or her business, then you should be working on growing your business. You should not be working in your business, and you should not be the one doing everything. The very first thing you should do is to hire a VA. That's going to make your life a whole lot easier, because you can have your VA doing all of these tasks while you focus on going out and getting clients, getting in front of people, talking to people, and trying to sell your services, however it is that you're looking to sell your services. Having said that, these videos that I'm doing in our YouTube channel are completely free. I'm not asking anything from you. I'm just sharing this with you because I've said that before the start of our charity webinars, which start Wednesday, April 26th at 7 p.m. Eastern, I said that I would come on here and I would share these free resources, these actionable items with you, so that you could take advantage of them and adapt them to, or in any way you need for your daily tasks. And so here we are. You guys are seeing my screen. You guys are seeing my, well, let's change this from ChatGPT 3.5 to ChatGPT 4. And what I've done is write a competition analysis. So it's going to go to these 5 pages. What I did, just so you know, is I went to Google. And yes, I'm signed in. I should have gone into an incognito tab. I didn't, so it's going to carry my history. But anyway, I got the top 5 websites according to the search. Where'd it go? Best. It's this one here. No, that's the finished product. Image creation. We don't want that. Excuse me for a second. This is it. So, the top 5, and I am going to tell it to give me a list of the 2-word and 3-word keywords that the websites above have in common in the title, in the description, H1, H2, H3 tags, and in the content. List any underserved topics and any content gaps that I should write about. Ask questions before you start writing. Do you understand? And so we go here, and this is the beginning of it. And it came back and it told me, yes, I understand. You want me to analyze the provided websites, find common 2- and 3-word keywords in specific parts of the content, for example, in these areas, and identify the underserved topics. And it went off and it found them, and it found the topics, and it said, I hope this helps. It sure does, because the next part of this is the 1,500-word long form prompt, which I've given to you before. As you see here, or as you can see, this bears mention, or I should talk about this just for a moment. We are doing charity webinars. You go to the heavyhitter.club, heavyhitter.club/HHC/B-A-hero. You go there, read what the charity is about that we're supporting. Take a look, so that you know what we're doing, so that you know the gravity and the severity of it. I don't want to just tell you about it, because I get emotional, really emotional, because this is very deep and personal to me, and so I don't want to get emotional in the video. This is a video for you. This is a video for you to take advantage of these prompts and to get something that's actionable, that you can do right now with your competition. I'm going to tell it, using the analysis above, the analysis that it already did, give me a long form article on Arabica coffee, best Arabica coffee. The article must be creative and human-like in style. And you've seen this before. If you haven't, go to the Heavy Hitter Club channel, go to the Artificial Intelligence playlist, and look up the long form article. Look up that video, watch it. It's basically the same thing here. All I'm changing is the fact that I'm telling it to use the research that it has already done for me to write the article, and to use contractions, idioms, transitional phrases, interjections, dangling modifiers, comparisons, and examples. Write as if I were in the 6th or 7th grade. I want this to be simple. I want this to be easy to understand. I wanted to avoid repetitive phrases and unnatural sentence structures, to avoid long and overly complex sentences. In other words, make it easy to understand. Make it simple for a human to read. The article should contain as many paragraphs as are necessary to use the keywords from the research, as well as the underserved topics and content gaps. I'm giving it the length of each paragraph. You guys will have this prompt available to you. The article should include a creative title, SEO meta description, introduction. You've seen this before, and if you haven't, again, go watch the other video. I'm telling it how to give me the title tag. I'm telling it how to give me everything. Read through this at your leisure. But what it does is, once you submitted it, it's going to tell you, yes, I understand. And it's going to give me what I want, what I requested. So there it is. H1, there's the meta description, and it's off and writing. And now right here, it stopped. When it stops, when you're in here in ChatGPT 4, ChatGPT Plus, ChatGPT, what is it, 3.5 Turbo, wherever it is that you are, all you have to do is tell it, please continue writing, and it'll pick right up where it stopped. And then it continued writing. When it got done, it gave me the FAQ schema in JSON LD format, and it stopped. When it stopped, I said, please continue writing. And it gave me the rest of it. And it asked me, do you have any further questions, or do you want additional information? And I said, please continue writing. And it did. It gave me a whole new, what would you call it? An entirely different subject matter, or related subject matter, that talks about how different Arabica coffee brands are working towards sustainability. I wasn't expecting this, but it gave me this. And so in the end, this is the content. This is the entirety of it, with the JSON LD FAQ schema. I went ahead and saved it as HTML. So I'll show you in here. I went File, Save As, and in here, instead of a text document, I said all files, best Arabica coffee dot HTML, and I'm not gonna save it again because I know it's in my desktop. And so what I'll do is I'll go here to quick access and click on it, double click to open it, and here's your content. Here it is, all developed and written. And if you wanted to rewrite it, you wanted to give you more information, then all you have to do, for example, is in here, since it understands what it is, or it understands the information that you want, it retains the information in here. You paste that in there and you tell it, please, I'm going to do a dash, please provide more information about this topic. Something went wrong. It means I waited too long. So I'm not going to regenerate the response, but this is what you should type in there, and it will give you more information on this topic or any other topic that you want to further develop. I don't want to refresh this and have to start all over. You guys can see that this is already done, that this is ready. Now, in yesterday's video, I think it was, I showed you how to build an HTML responsive website, or the day before. So I've given you everything. I've given you the 1500 word. I've given you the keyword analysis so that you can cluster everything semantically. I'm giving you everything, and I'm going to give you more in future videos, all up until Wednesday, April 26th at 7 p.m. Eastern, when the charity webinars begin. When they start, I will be giving away over 2,000 prompts. I will be giving away a consultation time. I will be giving away a whole bunch of things because we always get in a very giving mood for the charity webinars. And so just one thing down here, this is showing up like this because I've added the asterisk, and this isn't coded completely. So you have to add the correct JSON plus LD code. You can search the web, or I'll show you in a future video how to take this and add it to the head section of whatever page it is where you're going to add this best Arabica coffee content. So for now, I hope this was helpful to you. I hope you found all the videos up until now helpful. Go Artificial Intelligence playlist on the Heavy Hitter Club channel. It's there. It's for you. It's actionable information. It's things that you can implement right now to help simplify your online projects. Until next time, see ya. This is the Heavy Hitter Club channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell.